You guys love those mini bagels from Dunkin' Donuts? My son's obsessed with them. They're like $3 for 2, which is ridiculous, and we can't be buying those every morning. Here's a recipe to save you some money so you don't gotta sell those feet pics or throw that ass in a circle. Unless you want to, of course. In a bowl, mix together flour, Greek yogurt, and salt. Knead the dough until it all comes together. And try not to get flour all over yourself. Separate the dough into 8 equal pieces. Flatten each piece and add a cube of cream cheese. Close up all the sides and roll back into a ball. Brush the tops with egg wash and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning. Transfer to a baking sheet and bake in the oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes.